You want to watch it again?
Yeah. No, I know it. That's what I heard this morning, remember?
Yeah, you're like, I heard Santa's bells.
That's what we heard this morning, right? Yeah. It's funny, it was the first time I've seen it,
I know, right? Watch yourself, though. Nolan's got some moves.
I know, it's funny.
I think Daddy's doing pretty well, too.